G'day guys, painting the chassis today in 2-pack top coat, which means I can then start rebuilding the car. Okay guys, I'm up to my mate's place, mate Benno, up in his workshop here. He does a bit of painting on the side, and as you can see behind me, I've got the springs hanging up. There's Benno. I've got the chassis in the background, and just a few other things to paint there as well. So what we'll do first, we'll paint it in gloss black to give it a nice thick coat. And once that's all dry, we'll then put it in a satin black to give it the finish that I'm after. Okay, stay tuned.
Let it pack off and first dry before we clean up.
Yep.
Right. You can tell so it's still wet. There's a little friend there. That's not too bad. Oh yeah. No.
No, obviously there's anything in the middle, because that's stuff here.
Oh, there could be still one there, don't trust me. But see how some of it's still real gloss and some of it's satin?
Yeah, it's still going off.
Until it fully goes dry, it won't. Only that one there, I don't. Will you see it?
No, there's actually the inner guard will cover that.
Yeah.
Because the bugs will be enough. Okay, so we finished painting now. The first coat, as we were saying, is a gloss black, and that's just to build up the base coat, so it saves us having to do so many coats of satin black afterwards. So we've done one coat of satin black, and I think we're pretty happy with all that. It's come up really well. I don't think there's anything that we need to actually do. We don't need to give another coat. There is only one small run on the chassis, which I'm fine with. It's going to be covered up with the back inner guard anyway, so that's fine. Let's have a look. So it's still got a gloss on there at the mark, so it's still quite wet. There is just one run along the top of that. It's a bit hard to see. Benno done that underneath for me, because well, he is the expert and he knows exactly what he's doing there. That plus it's a lot easier for him to get under the car than it was for me. But things are looking nice. Like I said, still got a gloss finish on it at the moment until the paint dries and comes up in the satin black. So we've got all the springs here. We did those first, so they're starting to go half dry already. They're starting to go satin. Got the bulkhead supports there. Dip is done as well. That's come up really nice. That's looking very good actually. And then just the radiator support. Now I started painting all right with the gloss. Went onto the semi-gloss and I just completely went to pieces for a while. Then I just sat back and let Benno do a bit, then I just copy what he did and it came out absolutely beautiful. So sometimes it's just a bit of patience, stop and think what you're doing and then move on, and things usually come out better. Okay, this is about all for this episode. Now, something I did mention at the start of the video is a bit of exciting news. There's a magazine in the US called Classic MG Magazine. Obviously, they talk about MGs. In the August edition, which is due out in a couple of weeks' time, they're actually doing a feature on my car. So from when I found it as a barn find all the way through to a few weeks ago. So keep an eye out for it and have a read through it and let me know what you think. I haven't read it myself, I haven't seen it yet because obviously it hasn't been released, but I'm pretty keen to see it, and so is the previous owner. So until then, we'll sign off now and see you again soon. Bye.